In this video, I want to introduce a new indicator on TradingView that helps you to find the best trading opportunities in the market. Alright, to add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on Indicators and we search TPRSI, this one, which is written by Trendline Project. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart. This indicator is an innovative combination of three indicators: RSI, Bollinger Bands, and EMA ribbon, a collection of exponential moving averages in the form of a ribbon. So basically, by the help of this indicator, we can evaluate three aspects of the market: RSI for evaluating momentum, Bollinger Bands for evaluating volatility, and EMA ribbon for trend identification and evaluating the strength of trends. This line that changes color between blue, white, and red is RSI line, and depending on its position around the 50 level, it changes color and giving information about the market. When the line is blue, it tells us that we have upside momentum, and when it is red, we have downside momentum, and in times that it is white, it is neutral, meaning in very short-term perspective, the price is flat, kind of a balance between upside momentum and downside momentum. If we go to the settings of the indicator, we can see that RSI length is set at 50 by default, and this helps us with longer-term evaluation of momentum, so we will be less affected by short-term noises in the market. Here in the middle, we have the ribbon, which is a collection of exponential moving averages with these settings by default. The length of moving averages range from short-term to long-term, helping us with complete picture of trends and changes that are happening in the market. If you're familiar with moving average ribbon, so you know how it is interpreted. When all the moving averages are pointing the same direction, we have only one side of the ribbon. In other words, we can only see one color, and this shows an established trend in the market, and this tells us that the trend is moving strongly in that direction. But when the shorter moving averages start to cross the longer moving averages, and visually we see that the ribbon is kind of like folding to the other side, this shows that the prior trend is weakening. This can be a sign of just a pullback, a deeper pullback, or we can go to a trading range, which is the case here, or an instant reversal may happen. So when we see this is happening, this shows that the prior trend is weakening. And when we have the colors of ribbon at the same time, I mean the two colors of the ribbon at the same time, which is the case here, this is usually showing that the market is not trending and moving in a trading range. We wait for a trend to be established, which, as I explained, it shows itself in only one side of the ribbon. So from the time that we have only one color, we can say that we have a strong trend. In this case here, all the moving averages are pointing down, the color is red, so the market is in a downtrend. And here we have these two lines that are Bollinger Bands. The red line is the upper band and the blue line is the lower band. In times that the Bollinger Bands are narrow, like for example here or here in this case, it shows low volatility in the market, and it gives the probability for a potential breakout that may happen. For example here, you can see that we have Bollinger Bands in a very narrow situation, telling us that there is a very low volatility in the market, suggesting that the price is very flat here. And as you can see, after that we got an upside breakout after this flat market. The signals that this indicator provides by the help of these three indicators is like this. In times that we have only one side of the ribbon, which shows a strong trend like here or another example here, and then if at the same time RSI is above the ribbon and in blue color, this is a buy signal. For example, from here we have this situation. The ribbon is only in one color, blue, suggesting an uptrend, and RSI line is also above the ribbon and in blue color. Or another example here, where from here the ribbon became completely blue and RSI line is also above the ribbon and in blue color. This is buy signal. And when the Bollinger Bands are narrow, which shows low volatility and possible flat market, this is where we exit our position. In times that we can see two colors of the ribbon at the same time, in other words, we don't have completely blue or red color for the ribbon, we don't enter any trade because this shows that the market is not trending. And in times that the ribbon is completely red and we have RSI line below the ribbon and in red color, which in this example happened here, this is a sell signal. And again, when the Bollinger Bands are narrow, we exit our position because this shows that the market is in a low volatility situation and probably the market is going to a trading range and moving flat. No signal around here because we have two colors at the same time for the ribbon, and from here the ribbon is completely red and RSI line below the ribbon and in red color, so this is also a sell signal. This indicator is giving information about momentum by the help of RSI, volatility by the help of Bollinger Bands, and trends and evaluation of trends by the help of EMA ribbon. It's a good idea to also add ADX to this combination, this one average directional index, so you can better evaluate trending and non-trending market and further confirm your analysis and trading signals. As you know, in times that ADX line is below 20, that shows non-trending market, and when it is above 20, it shows trending market. You can simply add a horizontal line here at 20 level, so you can easily track the movement of ADX line above or below 20. For example, here ADX line is below 20, showing non-trending market, and Bollinger Bands are also narrow, which shows low volatility and flat market. And from here, the ribbon changed to one color, and we wait for all the conditions to meet. At this point, you can see that ADX went above 20, the ribbon is completely blue, and RSI line is also above the ribbon and in blue color. These signals show that we have an upside breakout, so we can enter a long position here at this point, and you can see how the price advanced after that. As I said, ADX can help us with more confirmation of the signals and helping us to filter the false signals during flat market. The combination of ADX with this ribbon perfectly help us to identify trending and non-trending market. Please pay attention that no indicator or trading strategy can provide you 100% guaranteed signals. Losing positions are always part of the game, and no matter how many indicators you use, how much accurate is the strategy, or how much experience you have, false signals always happen, and you need to manage your risk properly so you can become consistently profitable in the long run. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's one of the best risk management strategies that you can use. By the help of this strategy, you calculate your position size in a special way that you will lose only 1% of your trading account in case if the market goes against you and hitting your stop loss. I have a complete guide to this risk management strategy. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.